In interior design, light doesn't appear by chance. It knows where to stop, where to hold the gaze. An accent isn't decoration. An accent is a decision. Where do we want to direct attention? What in the space shine, speak, exhale? Our lighting design is a precise choreography, crafted to create balance between light and meaning. Within the layers of light lies the depth of a space. We combine direct and indirect, warm and cool, focused and diffuse. Because light is rhythm, and every space has its own beat. We listen to it. Tailored to the space, tailored to feeling.